Hi everyone, I'm Joe Baker. I'm a librarian at Harrison Township Public Library, and today we're going to be making stars, otherwise known as some people call them barn stars, out of paper bags. So here we go. All you need is 7 lunch bags. I just happen to have white. You can use brown, or if you're doing a color themed party, you can use whatever color that you want. You're going to need a glue stick, a hole punch, a pair of scissors, and whatever color ribbon you want to hang it from the ceiling or wherever you're going to hang it from. So you're going to take all your lunch bags, put them in the right side so it's the flat side down. You're just going to make a T like I did. And you're just going to glue them all together. 2, 3. Make sure you kind of press them down because you want them to dry. 4. You're going to want to make sure they're lined up and they're straight. 5. 6. 7. Apparently I miscounted because here's another one. Okay, so you make sure it's flat. Then you're just going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a triangle shape. So there's one side and then here's your other side. Doesn't have to be like perfect. Okay, so here is your triangle. Then you're going to take it, fan it out. There we go. And voila, there's your star. You're going to put some glue right here. I would recommend you waiting to do this until you're ready to hang them up because otherwise if you're making a bunch, then you're going to have them all over your house. And then you're just going to squeeze it so it's glued shut. Okay. Decide whatever angle you want it to hang from. I would do the 2 that you glue so it would be stronger. Hole punch it. Okay. Oh, I grabbed the star-shaped one. So I'm going to need a couple punches. Okay. Then grab a piece of ribbon, however long you want it. And you are just going to put it through your multiple stars or your one hole punch. And then I'm going to glue this a little bit more. Like I said, I have stars on here. Okay. Glue this a little bit more because my fingers pulled it apart. Go. And you have yours. You can hang it from tulips or you can hang it down here from below, however you want to hang it. And there's your barn star. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll check back our YouTube page at Harrison Township Public Library for more crafts. Thank you.